HPQ stock analysis and HPQ stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to break down exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I am the only guy in this space that has actually done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything. So I have seen what's making me money and what is not. Practically speaking, with HP Incorporated, well, it's nice. You know, $28, whatever. I just need to zoom out and look at the broader picture, man. Like, look at this. It's not so nice when you look at it from this perspective, but the biggest factor is going to be this shift, because it actually did break structure up. So that turns out, this just makes it like, you know, crazy freaking bullish. And now in order for me to continue to buy, like, what I'm not going to do is buy randomly here, you know, like following my rules. Only if there's some sort of a shift, yeah, only then I'm getting involved in doing that. But like randomly buying, mate, it's not going to be happening. So all I will continue to do in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.